Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. In this video, we will learn about the another operator, that is find operator. So unlike find index will return you the index at which the predicate at which the condition is met, whereas the find, it will give you the value. Okay, first value, that is also the first value. So whatever the value the condition has met, it will return you the value and it will it will complete it immediately. If you say try to see the definition of this one, emits only the first value emitted by the source observable that meets the condition. That's it. So it will emit only the first value that meets the condition. So what is this find operator? It will take the predicate function, so that is nothing but which returns to either true or false, and here you will be having that's it. So that is the one condition. This arg means it's a default one, it's a what we can say is deprecated one. So this means if you are not using arrow functions, means you can mention that this thing. Now predicate, a function which a function called with for each item from that is coming from the source observable to test for the condition matching. Now here if you try to see the marble diagram, the same thing. So just like the find index, we are having 3, 9, 15, 20. The source observable is emitting the values like that, and if you pass it through the find, so here we are checking x mod phi is equal to 0. So it will return you the value, the first value which meets the condition. So here 15 is the value that is meeting the condition first. So that is the reason 15 has been came. Before that, we find index will return you only the index, but here it will return the value directly. Now you can see that find searches for the first item in the source observable that matches the condition with the predicate function and returns the first occurrence of the source. This is already we have learned. Unlike first, so whereas the first also does the same thing. If you use the first operator also has the predicate function. So first operator returns the first value for which the condition has been met. But whereas the difference between the first and the find is if find for the find operator, it will not return any error if it doesn't matches any condition. Whereas the first operator, if it doesn't matches any condition, means it returns an error. So that is the difference between the first and the find. Let's try to see the in the practical implementation about the difference between the first and find also. As we have already seen in the previous video, we'll see it again. So ngGC, I am creating pages / find operator. Okay. So here let's try to find operator, and let's open operators.component.html, and here I will add the find, and here also I can use the find. And what I can do here, let's go to the app routing, and in this app routing I will use find, and I can use find operator component. Yeah, that's it. Let's open this find operator component, and in this TS file what I will try to do is same thing. So let's have a source observable of 1, 2, 3 and 10. So 3, 12, something like this. We have an observable, and let's try to import this OF of. Okay. So now here I will be using source $.subscribe of data, and here I will be doing console.log of data, and I will pass it to the pipe operator, and here I will use the pipe operator. And in this pipe operator, what I will try to do is I want to apply the find operator. Okay, so it will return you the both index and the value comma index. I am using only the value, so value greater than 10 or something like this. So value greater than 10 means, so you will get the last 20 value. Now if I try to see the output, so here let's go to the operators, and in this operators let's go to the find, and here we are getting the 20 as the value. So for example, if it doesn't find anything, so greater than 20 is nothing is there, equal to 20 is there, but greater than 20 we are not able to find. So now if you try to see what is the output, we are able to get undefined. Sorry, we have discussed about the -1, right? In find index we will be expecting the -1, but here undefined, so that means it doesn't find any value. So you can it doesn't return any error. Whereas this first operator, let's try to see the first operator. So greater than 10, then what it will try to do, let's try to see it. First operator. Now if you try to see about this first operator, now what it will show you, so it will give you the 20, I think. So first operator, it has given you the 20, whereas this 20, right? So it doesn't able to find. So same condition I want to apply this one to the first operator also. Now let's try to see what could be the error. So now it returning an error, that empty error. So that means I am unable to find the first value, so that is the reason it is throwing an error. Whereas the find operator, it doesn't able to find also, it is returning undefined, that means success, so it completes, but here it returns an error. That is the main difference between the find and the first thing. So if you want to throw an error, if it doesn't find any matching means, so you can use the first, or otherwise if you don't want to throw any error means you can use this find. So this is all about the difference between the find and the first. Hope you understood about this find operator. It's a pretty straightforward, find index and the find. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video, and if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.